guys, what's up? This is Yomi Keys here, Yomi Akatugba from my Tune Studios YouTube channel. You're welcome to this channel. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button and also do well to hit the notification bell just so you'll be the first person YouTube will notify once I upload a new video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to quantize your drums. You don't want your drums to sound robotic, you don't want your drum to sound over quantized, you still want to retain that live drummer feel, that humanized feel. Alright, so in my previous video I discussed about how to quantize your piano so that you have that live pianist, that pianist feel. You don't want Cubase or your DAW to transform your playing into a robot's playing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quantize your drums. Alright, so we'll be using the previous piano session we played in my previous video. If you have not seen that video, you can hit the link. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and you can have access to it. Okay, so let's play our drums. Let's play drums on this and we quantize. So here's what we're going to do. Let me shift this to the front. All right, so let's play our drums. Let's sound check our drums first. So I'm playing. So that's what I'm playing on this piano. Let me adjust my drums. By the way, I'm using the Thomas Pridgen drums. You can get one for yourself. Very great drum. It's a great drum. So I'm just going to increase the room. All right. Okay, so let's play our drums now. 1, 2. So let's play this back and hear what we've done. Let me. Okay, so this is what we've recorded, and for me, before I start quantizing, I highlight everything and make sure all my stuffs are on grid. They are on the line, so I drag them to the line on the line, so I make sure they are online. So even though if everything is not aligned, but at least if one is in line, I can judge well what to quantize and what not to quantize. So let's play it again. All right, so let me enlarge this more for you to see. So here we have these drums. Now, you remember what I played? Do you remember what I played? Let me play what I played again. I did at the beginning here. So can you hear that? Now let me quantize with 116 and you see the wonders of this quantize guy. Let me quantize it. Pam. Yeah, ito. You see this harp does not have conscience. Can you hear that? So annoying. So let me undo that. So now this tipa is, now how do you know this first one, let me highlight this and duplicate. So this first one is 116. How do I know? Everything is online. I mean, is on the line. So none is at the middle. So I quantize this with 116. Come here. You see one is at the middle of each line, just like our grace notes. So on the piano, if you've not seen that video, you can go down below to watch the video. The link is in my description box, is in the description session. All right, so now here we'll come here, and what we're going to do with this is we are going to highlight all this that are having a note in between, a MIDI note in between a line, and come to our quantized value and come to 132. You can see it has changed. If you check the grid well, the grid has aligned. So you click on Q to quantize. Now let's play it from there. Because can you hear that? So it's no longer is now quantized, but still in sync with the beat. So let's quantize this with 116 again, because it's online. There's no notes, there's no note in between each line. So all of them are on the grid, they're on the line. So let's hit Q to quantize. So now let's play this first part. Oh no, let's play the first part. So now, I mean, most times the way I work, I replay my stuffs inside here. If there's anything I'm hearing again, so this one comes to the back here. I want that okay, so let's play this again. So as my kick is hitting twice, the cymbals, the crash cymbal and the ride cymbal, I don't know what it's called. So the crash cymbal and the ride cymbal, they are hitting together, just like a live drummer would do. And this is a piece of advice. If you're playing the drums, make sure you think from a drummer's perspective, okay? Think from a drummer's perspective. Think, okay, what would a drummer do? How would a drummer play in this project? So even if it's not 100%, at least you are 80% or 85% accurate, minimum 70% accurate, just like the way a drummer would think. All right, so let's go while we are quantizing our drums. So by the way, let me reduce my piano. Let me reduce my piano so that we can hear the drums well. And also do some okay, so that's it. So let's continue quantizing. So from here we have here we have all of them on the grid, so you can on 116 grid, so you can quantize freely with 116, but 116, you check everything well, so they are all on 116. We come here again, 116, come here again, 116. Yep, so there was a mistake here. I was meant to hit the cymbal. Yeah. Let me use the splash. So I've deleted the excess play. So here I want to do So let me come to 1/8 triplet, 1/8 triplet. So you just experiment. So let's go to here. So let's check that. Can you hear that? So I used 1/16 triplet. So the 3 quantized value, depending on the stunts you've played, the paradiddle, whatever you've played. So the 3 you can use in your 4/4 bits time signature is 1/16, 1/32, and 1/16 triplet. Okay, 1/16 triplet. In most cases, you can use 1/8, depending if you've played a 1/8 a 3/4 time signature in between your drums. You can quantize with that. The main gist here is that know what you've played and know the quantized value you're going to use for that particular. You can see I didn't quantize everything with 1/16. I quantized some with 1/32. I quantized some with 1/16 triplet. And so here I'm having 2 notes overlapping. So let's make this a flam. So I'll come to 164. If I want to do a flam, I'll just drag this, then reduce the velocity of the first, then reduce the velocity of the first, then so it's too close. So I hit my control plus drag so that I would have that flam, so you can hear. So that's, let me increase it a little bit. Let me shift it a little bit so you can hear. So that's a flam. So let's check from the beginning to hear our drums with our piano. Yeah, at the beginning here, I want my snare to also be a flam so that it will sound like as if it was a live drummer that played it. So what I'm doing here, I'm thinking like a drummer already. Okay, so let's play that back from the beginning. So this one, let's move it to increase the velocity here. Then the next one shouldn't be a flam. So you can get creative with it depending on, this is just what I'm hearing in my head, what is just dropping the inspiration. So depending on what you're getting, you can be creative with it, with not necessarily what you've played. You can rearrange it here, and you have your, so let's say this is my intro. I have an intro already for a song. So here I want to add the, so I can have let me experiment with this kick here. Let me copy this kick here. You can copy with Alt and drag. Okay. Oh no, let's remove the last one I copied so that it won't be overly so can you hear that? So let me reduce the tempo. Let me reduce this tempo. So I've reduced the tempo to 99. Let's play it again. So here, 2, 3, go, 1. So thanks for watching. That's a quick tip on how to quantize. If you have any question at all, you can type in the comment section below, and I'll respond to your question once I've seen it. All right, so thanks for watching. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel and you find value in this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to know when I upload a new video. All right, so thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.